Hey, you're nearly there. I see. No, is that right? No, take it out. It's not right yet. You need to put the lady first. Fix the girl first. Look for the girl. No, that's an owl. No, there is more in there. Look, in the other side. Look, there's the lady's hair in there. Look. Yeah, that's it. Very good. And where's the lady's leg? The little girl's leg. Leg, leg, leg. Where is the leg, leg, leg?
That's green.
No, this is yeah, that's the green. Look, what's that? Look at the leg of the girl. I can see the leg in there. That's an owl. Where you will put the owl? That's it. Very good. You're nearly there. You're nearly there.